Welcome and good morning. This is Professor Guerra Pujol from the University of Central Florida, and I have created this video for class number 5 for sections 5 and 6, which she'll be meeting on Friday, March 22nd. Now, in this introductory video, I'll just explain what we'll be doing in this class, and then I'll ask my TAs to load up an actual video with a short lecture. What we're going to be doing in this class, and I invite you now, if you have not done so already, go into Module 5 and pull up the complaint, the actual legal complaint, civil complaint, that the Winklevoss twins have brought against Mark Zuckerberg. In real life, they sued Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook in September of 2004. And you will see that I've included that actual original complaint in your module for this class. Now, it's a very fascinating complaint. The Winklevoss twins bring a wide variety of legal claims against Mark Zuckerberg. What we're going to be focusing on in this particular class are two fundamental claims. One is breach of contract and the other is fraud. What I'd like you to be doing in this class is you're going to be sitting in your groups, and each group will role play as a jury. I'm going to make a series of closing statements, first on behalf of the Winklevoss twins, and then on behalf of Mark Zuckerberg's and Facebook. And then I'll allow each group to render a verdict. Who should win this case? Now, here we are engaging in a counterfactual. What would have happened if this case had gone to trial? But I have a particular reason for doing this, so you can see the relationship between risk and law. And we'll see if there is a consensus, if Zuckerberg is either found guilty or either acquitted of these claims against him, of these two serious charges against him. Now, before we proceed, let me make this very clear. This is a civil case, and in civil cases, juries are usually a lot smaller. It's very common to see a 6-person jury in a civil case, maybe with 1 or 2 alternates. So it's okay that our groups today are going to be small, between 6 and 8 people. That would be very common in a civil case to have a smaller jury. Of course, in a more serious criminal or felony case, 12-person or 12-man jury might be the standard, depending on which state you're in. So I wanted to make that. And then without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the arguments here. Now, if I'm the Winklevoss twins, I have 2 real fundamental arguments, 2 fundamental legal claims against Mark Zuckerberg. One, that he lied to us, and number 2, that he did not keep his promise to us. This is really fundamental when you come down to business, right? Keeping your promises and not lying to someone else, your business associates. And this is exactly what Mark Zuckerberg did. At least that's what I'm going to argue if I'm the Winklevoss twins. On the other side of the ledger, if I'm Mark Zuckerberg, I'm going to have to try to find, it's going to be hard to deny these charges, so I'm going to have to find and explore some kind of legal argument, some kind of defense. What would that defense be? So with that, what I'll do is I'm going to pause this video, give everybody a chance to look at the complaint that the Winklevoss twins have brought. There you'll see the nature of the action, you'll look at the parties, you'll see the facts of the case, and then you'll see a number of allegations. Focus on the breach of contract and the fraudulent misrepresentation or fraud, business fraud, since those are the 2 most common type of claims in the business world. All right, I'll give everybody a chance to do that, and then I'll have my teaching assistants load up the next video for this lecture. Thank you for your attention.